Welcome to the Tinnitus Treatment Clinic. Tinnitus is a annoying ringing or buzz in your ear that is caused by many different things that can happen to you throughout your life. It is definitely an illness, something that is sometimes difficult to cure and sometimes almost impossible to cure. One of the easiest ways to get rid of tinnitus is by purchasing our book called The Tinnitus Miracle. And it is an easy, no drugs way to reduce the tinnitus that you have ringing in your ear. It's quick, it's a three-step process, and you can get it today by clicking on the Get Now button right under the featured book. That is a home treatment, three-step treatment for tinnitus.